Hey again, guys. This is Ms. Gerke back with Chapter 6, the 4 bases of revising essays. Okay, another chapter overview. Just help you get prepped for the test and also just review the content in the chapter. So base 1, unity. Is there a unity or a cohesiveness in your essay? Right, to achieve unity, you should advance a single point and stick to it. What's your thesis? What's your point of your essay? What is the main idea? And you just stay with that point. Be certain that all of your paragraph details relate to the topic sentences of those paragraphs, right? And then they connect back to the overall point of the essay. And be certain that all of your paragraphs relate back to that thesis. All right, the key question for creating unity is, does this evidence, example, or experience, right, do the supporting details relate to and support your thesis? All right, base number 2, support. Support your single point, support your thesis with appropriate evidence. The details should be vivid, specific, and authoritative, right? And they should actually support your thesis. Coherence. To achieve coherence, right? Your essay is clear, right? You should organize and connect your evidence. Be certain that your body paragraphs reflect your thesis statement. Okay. And 4, sentence skills. To improve sentence skills, close critical multiple readings are key to improve sentence skills. Read your text for clear, error-free, varied sentence structure. Have peers read your text for clear, error-free, varied sentence construction. Have tutors from your writing center read your text for clear, error-free, varied sentence structure. And then set your text aside for a day or so and reread your text for clear, error-free, varied sentence construction. Okay, all of those things. Reading it each day yourself, reading it with a parent or a neighbor or a friend, or having a second pair of eyes, and then looking and reading published text and seeing how the writing is, and then applying that to your own work. And that's it for Chapter 6, so super short. All right, guys, I will see you in the next one.